Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to the channel. Happy New Year. Hope everyone is doing wonderful. So today I'll be showing you guys how I make my natural green juice at home. So if you are a natural juice person, then this video is for you. So continue watching and let's start this video. So I'm using 1 lime, ginger, cucumber, 1 apple, and I'm also using 1 carrot. So first of all, you want to make sure to wash your fruits and vegetables. Then you want to cut vegetables and fruits in cube-sized shapes in preparation to blend. So now that I'm done dicing my fruits and vegetables, I'm adding them to my blender. Then I'm also going to juice 1 lemon. Then I'm going to blend. So to blend, I'm adding orange juice for my liquid. For a more natural juice, you can add some water or any liquid of your choice, but I prefer to use some orange juice. And as you can see, I did not use too much orange juice, just a little to blend the fruits and vegetables. So once I'm done blending, I go ahead and strain the juice, and this part takes a little time, so you have to be patient while straining the juice. Some people go ahead and drink it just like that, but for me, I love to strain my juice so I can get a smoother drink. So that's basically it, guys. That's how I make my natural green juice at home. So you can try out this recipe. It's very easy, very simple to make, and you can have this drink before breakfast in the mornings, and it gives you that moderate appetite throughout the day. So please leave a like, comment, share, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, please take this time to subscribe. Also turn your post notifications on so you will be notified whenever I post another video. Thank you all for watching. Bye.